Hi Stampers, welcome back. I'm Nancy Novak. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. So welcome to my YouTube channel. This week I'm changing it up a bit because Valentine's Day is just around the corner. I'm featuring several great stamp sets, giving you time to gather your supplies or perhaps be inspired and want to add one of these sets to your collection. And now would be a great time because it is celebration. And as always, I will have all the project sheets, sizes, supplies on my blog. So I'm starting the week with a Be My Valentine idea. That's how we ended last week. That's how we're starting this week. If you missed out, you can always go back and watch the replays. I have 5 videos with this stamp set and punch on my YouTube channel. I'll list them below this video, but my head is still buzzing over this pretty paper. So let's make a traditional, but not so traditional Valentine's card with this adorable bee bundle. So this is today's card. And I really like it a lot. It's just reminds me of an old-fashioned Valentine's Day card. And it just opens like that. And that's it. This is the card base. It's got a little pocket and that bee paper. And there you go with the honeycomb. Isn't that cool? I love it. So it's real quick to make, real simple to make. Let me bring in the supplies. I have a card base of white. That's 5.5 by 4 1/4. This is the heavyweight card stock, but you could use the regular too. And then this is the Be Mine Designer Series paper, and that's Sweet Sorbet, and that's 5 1/4 by 4. And I have a white square and a Designer Series paper square. Let's see, this is 3.5 by 3.5 and 3 1/4 by 3 1/4. Then I have a petal pink piece that's 4 1/4 by 3 1/4. And I have a piece of Designer Series paper that is 8 by 3. And I have a scrap to stamp our sentiment. So first thing I'm going to do is bring in my cutter, and I'm going to cut each of the squares, the white square and the Designer Series paper square, corner to corner, so I get a diagonal cut here. So I can save these other pieces for another card. I only need these 2 pieces. I'm also going to bring in my scoreboard, and I'm going to score this right in half at 4. And give it a fold. So like I said, this is very quick and easy. I am going to glue the Designer Series paper pieces to the white pieces. If there's any grandmas out there, these are great little cards to send to the grandkids. And like I said, you can switch them up and change the sentiment. The bee is a cute little guy to go on almost any occasion card. Just like fun and cheerful. Okay, so now I'm going to take this piece and I'm going to put just a little line of glue on the straight edges, not on the diagonal, because I want to create a pocket here. Okay, let's do a little bit of stamping. So I'm going to stamp the inside in Memento Black. It'll show up really nice on the petal pink. And on the scrap, I'm going to bring in Sweet Sorbet and stamp the sentiment Be Mine. For the sentiment, I am just going to fussy cut. So I'm going to actually... Well, some people like to fussy cut, Henry. You don't like to fussy cut? Well, to each his own. So we're going to fussy cut it, and I'm just going to kind of jig-jag it around, make it kind of curved edges, not straight. Okay, let's bring this piece in here. That's the petal pink cardstock, and I'm going to go ahead and attach this to the front of the card, to the front of that piece right there. And if you look, the bees go in one direction. So if you have a piece of paper that, or piece of Designer Series paper that's directional, just make sure you glue it. It's not going to matter. The other side's going to be stuck down, so you're not going to see it. But that's kind of important, so just keep that in mind. So I'm going to bring a piece of this paper in. Again, that's called Be Mine, and I'm going to bring the bee punch in, and I'm going to punch out that larger heart. And I'm going to pop up the sentiment and the heart on the front. And then I'm going to bring in the adhesive back hearts and flowers. I wanted to mention for you to hop over to my blog, not just for the project sheets, because this time I'm going to have a whole list of words that you can use the Be Mine with, such as be happy, be thankful, be sweet, be kind, be positive. Got a whole list there. So you can mix and match with any other stamp set that it kind of works out with. I thought that was a cute idea. So isn't this just adorable? I love it, love it, love it. So again, just make sure your bees are going the right way and you stamp the inside the right way. Other than that, it's pretty darn simple. So there's another Be My Valentine idea for you. And again, it's a bundle with the punch. And if you're inspired and you think you want to add this bundle to your collection, along with that pretty Be Mine Designer Series paper, I mean, it just coordinates so well. That purchase puts you right where you need to be to get a free celebration item. So like I said, it's a great time to get this set. And I'll be back again tomorrow. Don't be shy. Stampin' Shout.